Hey everybody, it's Mr. Caldwell. Wanted to, just in case you've forgotten who I was, wanted to give you a quick little run through of the Circuits Basic Lab 2 so that when you get into the simulation you don't run into any issues. So as you look at the lab, the first thing that pops into view here is to make sure that it's not showing. So in the top right corner, not showing any current. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And then you're going to go ahead and make the circuit as indicated. And so I'm going to pause the video real quick and just make this super fast for you. So it's not that that takes a ton of time, but I figured I'd save you a couple of moments there. So you can see that there's a glow to these things. The lines, the length of the lines and the thickness of the lines are an indication of the brightness of the bulbs. More electricity flowing, the brighter the bulbs would be. And so you're going to answer some questions there, and then I walk you through sort of step by step how you're going to go ahead and insert a meter into this. And it's called the ammeter, and it's right over here on the right-hand side. And so I'm now down at step number 4 in the lab. And so you're going to basically just make a break in the circuit. You're going to give it a little bit of space. You're going to drag the ammeter over, and it locks in on one end, locks in on the other, and there you go. So you're going to basically do the same process, sort of cutting and putting the ammeter in different locations so that you can get an indication of what's going on in different parts of the circuit. And again, to disconnect things, you just cut. And so at this point, if I wanted to go ahead and put the ammeter in this part of the circuit down here, I just break that. And so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a heads up there. I'm not going to connect it because I want you guys, I think this is enough to get you going. And then when it does ask you to show the current, you want to make sure that you're not, and this is all the way down, you're not going to do this until you get to step 12 on the very last page of the lab, page 3. It says make sure that the show current box is checked and the radio button for conventional current. So please make sure that once you get far enough along in the lab, step 12, that's where you're going to be. Hopefully that's enough to get you through all the questions that you might run into in doing this simulation activity, and hope everyone is well. And with that, I will see you guys soon online. Take care. Bye-bye.